All right, and welcome to the movie poster number 2 video. And in this tutorial, we are going to create the movie poster that you see on the screen right now. Now, this is not a real movie or anything like that. This is just all fictitious names. But I wanted to sort of use some of the same techniques that they really use on movie posters, so it would just be a little bit more fun. Now, originally, I was just going to have this tutorial on how to show how to make these light beams coming out of the house, and this was just going to be a separate tutorial on the DVD, but I decided to go ahead and create this big movie poster project all together so we can do all these different types of masking techniques and just make it a little bit more interesting and a little bit more fun. I'm going to go over to the file browser or the Adobe Bridge, and let's take a look at the images that we will be using for this tutorial. And you can see this is the image of the forest that is on the movie poster. And you can see the forest image is way up here at the very top. And I wanted to create this like deep in the forest type feel. And so I placed the forest way up here at the very top, and then I have the house way down here, so it just has that more of a spooky deep in the forest type look to it. And so anyway, we have this image of the eye, and we also have the house. Now the house is in broad daylight. It's just lunchtime or it's noontime, and I'm going to show you how to take this old house during the broad daylight and turn it into nighttime. And we're going to have these light beams shooting out of the house, and if you look closely, you can see that they are reflecting off the grass down here. And this is really high resolution, so I can zoom in real close here and show you this. So basically just going from day to night. And if you're wondering how I went full screen, I just click on this little button right here, full screen mode, or you can press the F key on the keyboard, and that'll go into full screen mode. And you can actually toggle back and forth between all the screen modes by pressing the F key. So let's go ahead and move on with this project.